Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Arif Muaz bin Abdul Wahid and I'm from Group 6. My title project is Voltage Control vs Current Control and my group's member is Muhammad Fahmi bin Muhammad Kamaruzaman. Introduction. Voltage Control vs Current Control. Servo amplifier can be designed to operate in two modes, voltage control or current control. Most industrial amplifiers have these two modes built and are selectable using dip switch or a digital control input. The basic concept can be illustrated as below. Voltage control. For amplifier operating in voltage control mode, figure 8.21, the DC motor form the load of the emitter follower circuit. The control signal is supplied to the base of the transistor. Ignoring the base emitter voltage drop, the control input voltage VI appear across the terminal of the motor. The current, however, is supplied by the power source Vs. Increase the input voltage, increase the motor speed. Thus, the motor is controlled by the input voltage. A voltage control and B a current control. Current control. The current control circuit of figure 8.21b has a resistor connected from the emitter to ground. The control signal is applied to the base of the transistor. Ignoring the base emitter voltage drop, the control or input voltage V appear across the resistor. Since this current is supplied by the power source via the motor current is controlled by the input voltage. Increase the input voltage, increase the motor current, hence increase the torque developed by the motor. Control current vs control voltage operation. Control voltage CV mode VCVS control variable. Control current CC mode VCCS output variable. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So my name is Muhammad Fahmi bin Muhammad Kamaruzaman and I'm from the group of 6. The assignment or subtopic that given to me is operations for hash bridge configuration. My team member is Arif Muaz bin Abdul Wahid. The introduction. This is the hash bridge configuration. Why it is called hash bridge? It is because the shape is bridge and the shape is hash shape and the motor is in the middle. Hash bridge is a circuit that can use to control speed and the direction of the brushed DC motor. Two basic ways of using the 4 transistors in the hash bridge configuration is: the first method is transistors pair switch simultaneously. This is the PWM waveform. While the second one is switching one transistor in the transistor pair. This is the PWM waveform. The first method will be shown here. This is hash bridge configuration. And this is the current. Current will choose want to go to, this is Q1, let's say Q1, this is Q2, this is Q3, this is Q4. Let's say the Q2 and Q3 if off, and the current will go through from Q1 to the motor, and to the Q4 and to the ground. While this is the first method, while the second, if the Q1 is off, Q4 is off, the current will choose to go through here, through the motor, and through Q2 and to the ground. The motor will go counterclockwise, while the Q1 and Q4 is for clockwise. Okay. This is the first method. First method is here, PWM waveform. The waveform is here. And the second method is Q1 is on or off while keeping the Q4 always on. Otherwise, the Q1 is always on and Q4 is on or off. This is to make the positive voltage. While to make negative voltage, we use Q2 or Q3. The other one must always keep on, and the other one is on or off. Let's say here, the C1, you make the Q2 is always on and the Q3 is on or off. And the figure of D, the Q3 is always on and Q2 is always on or off. This is the waveform of PWM using the method 1 on and 2. That's all from me. Thank you.